Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time, please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And if you're returning, okay fam, I see you. Welcome back. I am excited, guys, and I hope you are because guess what is on the menu today? Yes, so the most authentic Ghanaian goat meat like soup you will ever make. So come on, guys, let's get started. Okay guys, so I hope these ingredients look familiar because these are the same ingredients that I used on the first two videos. And I really want you guys to learn this because I use these ingredients for my soups, my stews, and to season my meats. It really brings out a very unique flavor. So here are the ingredients. A tablespoon of whole cumin, a tablespoon of anise seed, a tablespoon of rosemary, a tablespoon of thyme, and a tablespoon of black peppercorns. Followed by 3 large tomatoes, 2 onions, a half of ginger, 2 habanero peppers, which is very optional, and 2 tablespoons of salt for taste. You also need 1 can of tomato paste. We are going to cut 1.5 of the onions and then blend it with the dry ingredients. Also, we are going to cut 2 habanero peppers. We're also going to cut the ginger and scrape off the skin and then add it to the onions and blend with the dry ingredients. Before we blend, I'm going to add 1 cup of water. Add the onions, the habanero pepper, the ginger, as well as the dry ingredients. Okay. So as you all know, we have come to my favorite part. Okay, where the fun, the action, and the what? The romance begins. Now I'm going to use 3 pounds of goat's meat. And what you are seeing right now is me adding on the blended spices. Okay, you want to go ahead and add it all in, stir it, make sure that the spices do what? Penetrate into the meat because you want your meat to be tantalizing in your mouth. Okay, good. So we're going to add 1 cup of water with the blended ingredients. Add 1 can of tomato paste and make sure to stir. So after stirring, we are going to cover up the pot and allow it to boil for 20 minutes. So 15 minutes in, I'm going to go ahead and add the 3 whole tomatoes as well as the half onion. After that, we are going to cover it up and allow it to boil for 5 more minutes because we're going to be cooking this for 20 minutes in total. And also make sure to add enough salt. You want this part to be the saltiest part of the soup because you will later on add the water. So guys, it's been 20 minutes. You can see that the tomato has really tenderized, as well as the onions. So I'm going to go ahead and take it out and blend it together. As the meat is still cooking, I'm going to go ahead and warm up 8 cups of water. Alright guys, so it's been 30 minutes total of the blended up ingredients being marinated into the meat. Now this is the kind of consistency that you want. I'm going to go ahead and add the 8 cups of water and also go ahead and add the blended up tomatoes and the onions. What I'm doing right now is that I want to strain the tomatoes and the onions because I really want the soup to be a little light. So now we are going to stir it up a little bit and allow it to come to a boil for 30 minutes. But here's a trick. You're going to put your fire on high heat for 15 minutes, and for the remaining of the last 15 minutes, you're going to go ahead and put your fire on low heat and just allow the soup to simmer down. All right, guys, it's been 30 minutes. I will now go ahead and add green habanero peppers. This is very optional, but you know me, I like a little bit of kick and heat and everything, so I'm just gonna go ahead and add that. Look at how beautiful it looks. And last but not least, I'm going to add one of my best friends. Yes, Mrs. Basil. Okay, you guys, add basil in your soups. It just brings out the aroma, the freshness. Yes. And now, drum roll, please. Yes, first class cooks. This is the final touch. This is the finishing step. Our goat meat life soup. Yes, so look, if the soup doesn't look like this in the end, then you probably missed a step. I'm sorry. Start it over. I really wish you guys were here because it smells amazing and the soup tastes so good. But guess what? You can try this in your own kitchen, all right? So, what I'm gonna do right now is pair the soup up with a Ghanaian delicacy. Okay, when I say delicacy, I mean delicacy. This is fufu. All right. If you guys want to learn how to make fufu, just let me know in the comments, and I will definitely show you how to make it. So I'm gonna go ahead and dish this up, guys. I really wish you were here because the smell is amazing. The combination of the cumin, the thyme, the anise seed, the rosemary, and then the finishing touch, the basil. It smells so good. And I really want you guys to try this. Try it at home. Try the recipe. You will love it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you guys so much for joining me here on First Class Cooking with Sheba. Hey, please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe.